What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dell's Corner. This is going to be our unboxing of the Muti Device K380 by Logitech. Now, this is a Bluetooth capable keyboard that you can actually use on your phones or your tablets, anything like that, if you absolutely needed a keyboard for it. The reason why I got it is because I'm going to end up doing some emailing and stuff while I'm out there at PAX on my phone. You know, your phone is almost like your best friend nowadays. Sometimes it's easier to use a laptop, but for me, my phone is on me all the time. I use it for business, I use it for personal stuff, I use it for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, which are all in the links down below. Please don't forget to go follow that. But we're headed to PAX East. That's why I'm dressed up the way that I am. We're super excited. By the time you watch this, we're looking at probably day 2, which would be Saturday of PAX East at Boston, Massachusetts. It's going to be super cold, but we're super excited to be going this year. This is going to be our first year, so hope to see you there. But again, let's get into this unboxing. I've already taken off a little bit of a plastic just to kind of speed up the time, but I'm going to be using this like crazy. Ooh, looks pretty sweet, I'm not going to lie. Ooh, it has a good weight to it. Oh, what's that on the back? Oh, these are instructions on the back. Instructions. That's what it looks like on the front. Looks pretty solid. Solid. Like, no joke. Is there anything else? I think that is it, guys. That is it. So the back pretty much tells you on how you should set it up. Step 1, you got to push the 1 button for 3 seconds for the Bluetooth to pop up. Oh, you can have 3 different types of Bluetooth devices connected to this. That's really cool. Let's get this out of the casing. Where is it? Here it is. So yeah, we're going to be headed out there for all 3 days. And we should be coming back on Sunday. If not, then Monday if there's anything wrong. Ooh, it's pretty silent too. I kind of like that. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna like that. I'm really gonna like that. Yeah. So if you ever need a Bluetooth capable keyboard, right here, this is what it is. I believe it's going for $29.99 on Amazon, Best Buy. I think it's $27, couple bucks off. So it all really depends on what you're looking for. But yeah, really good, solid device. I'm not gonna lie. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Please feel free to check out all the social media links down below. That way you can keep up with everything that's going to be going on PAX East-wise. Again, we're going to be there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of this year. And until then, I will catch you on the next one. Don't forget to check out this keyboard. Pick one up. Peace out.